Let us visit our school biology lab. Here in the window you can see some organs of the body along with an old skeleton. Here it is the skull. Here you can see the brain. These are the artificial models of some organs of the body. It's the liver. This is the heart. And here you can see some of the systems of the body. Let us find out what else is kept in our lab. I can see a skeleton here. Though it is not an original structure of bones, it is a plastic one and painted though, but it's quite large in size, and you can see the structure of bones of the human body here. Now let us in our class today learn more about this structure of bones. Remember, this is the framework of bones of a human body, and we call it the skeletal system. Human skeletal system is just like the framework of any tall building. As you can see in the picture here, we can see the steel framework of this building. Similarly, our body is also having a structure of bones. Human skeletal system not only provides shape to the body, it also protects the organs of the body too. All the soft organs are protected by these bones. Also, the skeletal system, the bones, help us to move, walk, run, and do lot of physical activities. The bones in our body are of different shapes and sizes. Some are long, some are short, some are curved, and some are straight. All the bones in our body form the skeleton. And do you see here the skeleton is moving? Yes, only because of this bone structure our body has the movement. You all must have observed many of your favorite cartoon characters changing their shape. Do you know why? Maybe they are missing that framework which we call as a skeleton. So, another function of the skeleton is to give our body its shape. This is the human skull, children, and the main function of the skull is to protect the delicate brain inside it. It is a very hard bone and it has joints too, which are fixed, which cannot move on their own. So, it is going to protect here in this picture, as you can see, the delicate brain. It is the internal organ. Brain is the delicate internal organ of our body, and it is protected by one of the main structures of the skeletal system, which we call as the skull. So inside the skull, our brain is stored, and it is a very delicate organ, and it is covered by a hard covering of bones, which we call as the skull. Skeletal system gives muscles a place to attach themselves to. Bones in our body cannot move on their own. Muscles help bones to move. Together, bones and muscles allow us to walk, run, and jump. All the muscles in our body form the muscular system, and they work along with the skeletal system and are responsible for the movement of the body. Do you know, children, what is a rib cage? It is the structure of curved bones that surrounds and protects the chest. Do you know it has 24 bones? Rib cage protects the heart and lungs in the body. These two delicate, soft internal organs of the body are covered with this curved structure of bones, which we call as the rib cage. The rib cage also expands while the movement of the lungs. Movement of the lungs happen when they expand and deflate. When we are breathing oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide from the body, there is a movement in the lungs. So because of the movement of these lungs, the rib cage too expands and comes back to its position according to the lungs. Backbone is the central support structure of the body. It is running from the skull up till the tailbone. Children, while performing yoga, you must have come across such poses which you are seeing here. Such yoga poses are practiced to strengthen our backbone, and we are able to twist it, bend our body in such different ways because of the flexibility of our backbone. It is also called the spine. So it is attached from the skull up till the tailbone here, and it is the main support to make us sit and stand in an upright position. Hence, the functions of the skeletal system are: it helps us to move, give muscles a place to attach themselves, and also protects the soft organs inside the body.